The Quick Sledge by Quick Attach drives post straight and true. Your skid steer only requires 10 gallons per minute to operate this attachment. The post driver is fully enclosed for quiet operation. This will deliver up to 40 blows per minute, making quick work out of any job. Whether it's steel, wood, or railroad ties, you can be confident this post driver will deliver. This offers excellent visibility, easy operation with 18-degree tilt. For all your attachment needs, with warranty and service long after the sale, call one of our specialists today.